Innovative Piano has introduced a new feature where you can call for the students on your workbook roster to complete a self-assessment on any workbook lesson. From your dashboard, Upcoming Assignments, you can select Request Assessment. You can also select it directly from the lesson page. I've split my screen so you can see how this works. On the left side of the screen is the teacher's account, and the right side of the screen is a student's account. When I request an assessment, the student receives an immediate pop-up notification. They can choose to complete it immediately or to snooze it one time only for 15 seconds. So this student is going to go to the lesson page and practice this activity, and when they are ready to assess their progress, they select Assess Progress, and they did a great job, so they check Got It, and they save. When the teacher is ready to end the assessment, they choose End Assessment, either from the dashboard or from the lesson page. And when you do that, you get an immediate report that tells you the submission status of the students on your roster when you click on it. When you click on it, you can see how each student chose to assess their progress. The two things you have to remember is that you can call for only one assessment at a time, and you must end an active request before a new one can be made.